we continue our exploration of using hashcat on an ec2 virtual machine so that you can easily get a machine with sufficient GPU computing power and just have it running for as long as you need or as short as you need. In order to use hashcat well, it helps to know certain concepts like the concept of the part file and how you can remove it. And also it helps to be aware of some utilities that you can use depending on what you're trying to do with your password cracking. And these utilities are designed to be used alongside hashcat to increase the power of what you can do. To demonstrate the so-called hashcat utilities, we will show how you can generate hccapx files from cap files using one of these utils, and the name of this util is cap2hccapx. We have previously seen that you can indeed use a web-based service to convert from cap to hccapx, but the official hashcat website strongly recommends using cap2hccapx instead. Hashcat utils comes with other utils as well. So these are multiple standalone programs. They do various sorts of things that can be useful to you when you are working with hashcat. For example, to combine multiple word lists, to make all combinations of a short word list. And hashcat utils are open source and freely available, easy to install as we will show in this video. We're back in the ec2 virtual machine that we have been using for demonstrating hashcat. And the last time we saw a case where hashcat went through the entire rocku.txt list, didn't find the passphrase and gave up. The point we were trying to demonstrate at that time was that it could go through so quickly, just within a couple of minutes, compared with aircrack NG using a CPU, which estimated time was 1 hour and 20 minutes for doing that. But we still want to show that hashcat is not just fast, it can also find the passphrase. So what was the reason that we couldn't find the passphrase the last time? The reason is that the passphrase was ABYGUR, well, let me write that, ABYGURL69, which is actually not in rocku.txt as is. What do I mean by that? I mean, if we grab for this in rocku.txt, we'll see that there are 4 words in rocku.txt that contain this passphrase, but not the exact passphrase. So we will show how with rules we can overcome this problem. But first, I want to show you something else, because the last time I showed you how you can create a hccapx file using a service. That's a website that will convert a cap file to hccapx file for you that then hashcat can use. But there's also hashcat utils. So let's go do it that way. Hashcat utils is a set of utilities, and one of these, as we see here, cap2hccapx, this is user-generate.hccapx files. And so we will do that. We'll just follow this link here. Okay, latest releases. Latest release for hashcat utils is 1.8. Then we go here. We're looking for the URL to clone. So clone or download. We copy this. And we go back to our ec2 machine. So let's make a new folder. Let's say call it hashcat utils. Go in there. And we clone this. We just got a link from the website, so it's cloned in here, and we can see, okay. Well, I guess we didn't have to make this hashcat utils ourselves. Now we have hashcat utils, and inside hashcat dash utils, but well, okay, minor issue there. Then we can just build it. If we look in bin, there's nothing there at the moment, so you just go to src, and these are the source files, and there's a make file we can use. So we just make will do the building, so it'll make all the targets. And so now we see the various .bin files, including cap2hccapx.bin. Okay, go back. So now we have set up this new here where we have the .cap file, which has the passphrase Abby girl 69, and so let's convert that to hashcat so we can proceed. We need to execute that cap to hashcat bin that we saw before. So the format is in and out, so test2, and then let's call it, so just like that, and we have it. You see some confirmation here that this came actually from an access point with ESSID test2, and it's returned the handshake there, but it doesn't know what the passphrase is yet because it still needs hashcat to do that. And so we can run hashcat. Oh, so let's see. Yeah, we have that file already. So okay, hashcat minus m2500 test2 cap, and then we want to use rocku.txt, which is in the parent folder. And so we begin. There's this port file here, which from previous times when you run hashcat, sometimes previous results might be stored already. So sometimes then it helps to remove the port file so that you can try again. And where is the port file found? It's in your home folder and then hashcat. So if you look in there, there it is. So we can just remove that and then try again, because otherwise it thinks that all the hashes are found in the port file. Use ---- show to display them. Alright, so we have removed that. Now we can try again.